Hello and welcome to Solving SQL Problem 2. What we should do today is write a SQL query to identify skills, list of the top two most proficient employees for each skill, and we should create a table showing skills, average proficiency, along with the name and proficiency level of the top two employee in those skills. What we have here as an input is a table showing the employee name and his skills and proficiency in each skill. And what we should do is to display the top two employees in each skill and then the average skill proficiency. The output should look like this. We have the skill. It's skill here. Skill. Then we should display the average proficiency on that skill, the top employee one and each proficiency level. For example, Mia Nelson here. Mia Nelson, data analysis 5. Yeah, it's the top one. Same. In here we should display the top one employees and their proficiency level, and in here top employee 2 and their proficiency level. As you can see here, they should be like this. It's top 1 proficiency 1, top 2 proficiency 2. Now let's get our hands dirty. We have this database here, and first thing we're gonna do is to add the average proficiency for each skill. Okay, let me average proficiency. Group by 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So it's giving me the average for each row, but what I'm looking for is the average for each skill. This is why I'm gonna need to use partition by skill, and I don't need group by. Alright, so as you can see here, for each skill I have the average proficiency. Let me name this as average proficiency. Sorry. And I'm gonna round this by 1. Not sure if this is possible here. Let me check. Round. One. Yeah. All right, so after this I need to know the top two in each proficiency. In this case I need to know for like a rank based on proficiency for each skill. For example, in data analysis I need to display 1, then 2, 3, 4, and it will recompute for every skill. I'm gonna use a window function to do this. I'm gonna use row number over partition by skill, order by proficiency, disk. As you can see here, we have like rank 1, 2 for the top 2 proficiency level for each skill. For data analysis 1, 2 in here, then we go to machine learning 1, 2, 3, 4. It will recompute for each skill, and as you might think, we only need the top 1 and top 2 employee. This is why I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna put this in a CTE to get the first and the second. All right, let me first name this as RNK. All right, with query 1 as select, and let me show you again. As you can see here, proficiency 1, top employee 1, and top employee 2, and proficiency 2 are columns next to each other. This is why I need to use self-join to achieve this. This is why I'm gonna join the CTE with itself using the skill. Let me first put this from query 1 q1 join query 1 q2 on with the skill q1 skill equal to q2 skill, and I'm gonna get the skill average proficiency. I'll get q1 skill average proficiency. This one is q1. Then top employee 1, gonna get it from here, q1 as top employee 1. Then I'm gonna get the proficiency as proficiency 1. Let me add here q1. After that, we're gonna get top employee 2 proficiency 2 from q2 dot copy this to q2. All right, let me run this to see first what it gets us. All right, but as I told you, we only need the rank 1 for q1 and rank 2 for Q2. This is why I'm gonna use where Q1 dot rank equals to 1 and Q2 dot rank equal to 2. Run. All right, there you have it. See, we used this one. Let me re-explain the last part. When we use self-join, we need to use self-join because we need to display top employee 1 proficiency 1 and top employee 2 proficiency 2 next to each other. This is why we joined with skill, and in top employee 1 we're gonna display where the rank equal to 1, and we used query 1 Q1 to display top employee 1 and Q2 to refer to top employee 2. This is why Q2.rank equal 2 and Q1.rank equals 1. I hope everything is clear. The database, insert to create the database, and the solution gonna be here. I'm gonna put the link down below. Thank you for watching and see you in solving SQL problem 3.